You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very confusing, curious word. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned, including legal terms. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. You'll definitely want to learn from pseudonymization. Now, the first syllable in British English is pronounced sew. The P is always silent. In American English, it's pronounced sue. Alright, so sew or sue. British English pronunciation, pseudonymization. 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 In American English, the US pronunciation is as sue. Again, not sew. Again, in American English, it's pseudonymization. 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 American pronunciation. British English pronunciation. Pseudonymization. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.